This is Oladuwan, and today we are in downtown Kingston. Now, I want to videograph these lightning strikes or lightning bolts because they're coming very close. Very close. Yes, this wow. They're coming really close, and I'm really nervous because I do not like to be struck by 1 million volts of electricity. It's not nice. What blow? You see this shit? Again. Oh my stars! What again? Sound like some glass seed water going. Sound like a water going. Wow! Wow, man. One more, but not so close, please. Why am I smiling? I can get struck right now. So please don't let me. One more. I'm like I'm storm chaser. So my second video about lightning. You know, more pause it, but I'm afraid if me pause it, one perfect one I go show up and not go video it in time. I'm saying I'm in a split second or so. Right, as I said before, I'm in downtown Kingston.